Hi everybody, welcome to week 2. I am coming to you today from Casper, Wyoming. Yesterday we drove 6 hours from Salt Lake City to Casper to see my niece's graduation from the University of Wyoming. It was a very nice graduation, but Wi-Fi was a little sketchy on the way up. Anyway, this week we're talking about academic advancement, and I think that DQ is kind of self-explanatory, so I really want to spend my time with you talking about the assignments for this week and filling out the NEPD form. And if you start off on the right track with the form, it will make it easier for the whole rest of the course for you and I. So I really want to focus on that. Okay, so as you're reading this, or when you look at it again, either print out the NEPD form, Nursing Education Practicum Documentation. It's attached to one of your assignments this week, or pull it up because you need to be kind of looking at it. All right, and if you hear anything in the background, that's probably my husband in the shower or blow drying his hair. Sorry. A little bit unusual circumstances this morning. Okay, so you've got 2 assignments. The first one you want to work on is practicum objectives. Okay, when you pull up that NEPD form, at the very top is a block that says Topic 1, Week 1. And it just has a blank space underneath it, with no columns. Okay, so in there, for that assignment, you're going to use the NEPD form, Topic 1, Week 1, the blank. You're going to write 3 to 4 overall practicum objectives that you want to accomplish during your preceptorship. Now, I know you already did something like this when you turned in your original preceptorship forms, but now you know either you're going to be GCU online, or you're going to be on ground, or you're going to be in a hybrid, whatever. And so I need you to write out 3 or 4 goals that you want to accomplish during this practicum. Now, they need to be specific goals because at the end of the practicum, you're going to be evaluating whether or not you achieve those. So, yes, they need to be broad and specific. So, what do you want to work on? Do you want to work on being able to grade student papers? Do you want to be able to work on doing a live presentation? Do you want to be working on finding appropriate resources to help your students learn better? Globally, what are the things that you want to be able to accomplish? Don't say, I want to be a better teacher. That's not really very measurable, and you'll have a hard time at the end of your course. Okay, so then you're going to save that form, upload it to the practicum objectives assignment. So I'm just going to grade that portion of the form. All right, I think we're okay with that one. So then the second assignment is Nursing Education Practicum Documentation. You're going to pull up that same form that has the overall goals on. Now, this is the form you're going to use for the whole course. You're just going to keep adding to it for the whole thing. Okay? So, pull up that same form. Now you're going to go down to Topic 1, parentheses, Week 1, Week 2, end of parentheses. Okay? This is where it starts the columns. So, Topic 1, parentheses, Week 1-2, parentheses. Okay. You've got 4 columns there. My objectives for the week are: to meet my weekly goal, I need. I know I will have met my goal when. I know I did not meet my weekly goal because. All right. So now, when you turn this in on Wednesday, approximately 2 weeks will have gone by in your course. You're going to be writing about the first 2 weeks of this course in this block. Okay? So, what were your objectives for the first 2 weeks? So, those of you who are starting your practicum, you kind of know what your objectives were. You wanted to talk with your preceptor, you wanted to maybe get a tour of the facility, you wanted to set up some goals with your preceptor. Okay? So in there, for those of you who already know where your practicum is and are starting, you're going to write what was your goals for the first, what were your goals for the first 2 weeks? To meet my goals, I know I will have met my goal when, and then did you or did you not meet that goal? So for those of you who are already starting your practicum, topic 1, week 1-2, you'll fill out that whole section and turn it in next Wednesday. Okay, that's not the end of it, so hang on just a sec. For those of you who are doing the online GCU practicum, or for those of you who aren't going to start with your preceptor for a little while yet. Okay, so these, you still have to fill this out. This is a form where no matter if you're in your preceptorship or you're done with your hours or whatever, you have to turn this form in every 2 weeks in order to get credit for it. So that's kind of what we're working around. Okay, if you're GCU, then my objectives for the week are look for my GCU orientation assignment, meet my GCU orientation instructor, a couple of those sorts of goals, okay? So whatever you're doing right now, even if it's just waiting, that's what you're going to fill in for week 1. Topic 1, week 1-2. So everybody is going to fill in that area, even if you're only telling me what you're waiting for. Okay. Then we're going to go down to topic 2, week 3-4. Okay. So everybody's filling out topic 1. Now we're going down to topic 2. Now you'll fill out the first 3 columns. What are you wanting to accomplish during week 3 and 4? Okay. Maybe you'll be in your GCU online orientation, and so you'll want to learn about how to grade a paper and how to score substantive posts and things like that. Maybe you've already met with your practicum instructor and you've kind of set up, I'm going to start working on this particular project. Whatever it is, topic 2, week 3-4, you're going to just fill in the first 3 columns. All right? The next time you fill in an NAPD, which will be in week 2, you'll fill out that final evaluation column for topic 2, and you'll give me some new goals for the next 2 weeks. Kind of goes like that. Okay? You'll notice that under each topic is a student comment section. Okay? That's where you can give me a little more info about how is it going? Are you experiencing any problems? Are you liking it? That sort of thing. And then when you turn it in, there's a faculty comment section. I will be filling that out, giving you feedback about your goals and your progress, and turn that back to you. Again, we're going to just keep switching off that exact same form. So when you get mine back with the comments on, you're going to save that and use that form for the next 2 weeks assignment. Okay? So that way both of us can see the whole history of what we're doing. I can see the comments I've already given to you. You can see the comment from the previous 2 weeks to know what you need to change, and we're all on the same page. So I really hope that I've made that clear. But if not, send me a note in your individual forum. Call me, 801-577-4100. Remember, I do also work a full-time job in addition to teaching a few GCU courses. If I don't answer my phone, just go ahead and leave me a message and I'll get back to you really as soon as I can. Okay? All right, so we're going to get those assignments uploaded today, and we're going to be talking about academic advancement. See you in the main forum.